Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how we can create a coloring book from any element in a Canva, like this. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I just add the elements to the page. As you can see, for separate element, I just use the keyword docs and go into the graphics and add the 4 graphics from here. Then I just downloaded this picture by this page and upload it back to the Canva, like to here. I just upload it. Then I'm going to the edit and going to the magic edit. Increase the brush size to the maximum and selecting all 4 items and go into the description. And just add outline and change coloring page to black and white. Black and white. The outline and change coloring page to black and white. So generate. And I just wait until the magic edit is generating my pictures. As you can see, we have 4 different type of pictures. This is totally white, and others have some shades and items. I think I choose this and just click on done. I think in a previous one I just chose the first one, which was totally white. And here is a bit better with these shapes that allows the keys to be more creative. And this is the final outcome. And this tutorial going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you enjoy it. And please do not forget to click on the like button if you like the tutorial. And see you in my next one. Ciao.